Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear functions. The lesson slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Slope intercept form, graph an equation. Slope intercept form, write an equation from a graph. Slope intercept form, write an equation from a table. Here I am on grade 9 math. Let's just start with the linear functions. Let's start with the lesson that is slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 9 by 7x, right? You have to compare this equation to y equals mx plus b, right? So m equals negative 9 over 7 and b is 0. B is the slope intercept form and m is the slope. So the slope for the equation is negative 9 over 7, right? The correct option is negative 9 over 7. Let's just start with the test questions. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Y equals minus 5x plus 3. So what is the y-intercept? You have to compare the equation to y equals mx plus b. M equals negative 5 and b equals 3. So the y-intercept is b. So the correct option is b equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Y equals negative 10 over x minus 3. So the y-intercept is negative 3 it is. Find the slope of the line y equal 3 by 4x plus 9 by 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 3 over 4. The slope is 3 by 4. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. Y equals 10 over 10x plus 5 by 9. So which is the y-intercept? Yes, that is 5 by 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 9 by 7x. So which is the correct option? That is negative 9 over 7. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 8 by 7x minus 1. So which is the slope? That is negative 8 over 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Y equals negative 4x plus 2 over 9. So which is the correct option? The y-intercept is 2 by 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Slope intercept form graph and equation. Okay, so graph the line using the slope and the y-intercept. So you are given the slope and the y-intercept. You have to see how do we make a graph, right? The equation is y equals 4x plus 6, right? So m equals 4 and b equals 6. B is the y-intercept, right? And slope is 4. You have to use the slope and the y-intercept and maybe plot the graph. The y-intercept is 6. That means x is 0, y is 6. So here is the point 6, right? Now you are given the slope is 4. That means 4 over 1. That means you need to move up 4 point and right 1 point. So start from 6, move right 1 point and 4 up. So that means you are here now. just join these two points and make a graph like this. Just join these 2 points and make a line, right? So you need two things to plot the graph. The first one is the slope and the second one is the y-intercept. So if you are given with the slope and the y-intercept, you can plot the graph. Got it? Okay, the next example is y equals negative 7x plus 9. So m equals negative 7 and b equals 9. That is the y-intercept x is 0, y is 9. So here you are. Now negative 7 over 1. That means you need to move right 1 point and 7 down. So you are here. You just have to join these 2 points and make a straight line. Got it? That's exactly the same points, right? So you have to join these points and make a straight line. Graph this line using the slope and the y-intercept. That is y equals x plus 9. Slope is 1. The y-intercept is 9, right? That means 0 and 9. Slope is 1. You need to move right up 1 and up 1. You are here. Just join these 2 points and make a line. So that is the solution of the example. Okay, let's just see the here is the point 0, 9. Then you have the slope. You moved up 1 point and right 1 point, right? So here is the graph of the line. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is slope-intercept form. Write an equation from a graph. Look at this graph. What is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? So the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. You need two things, m and b. B is the y-intercept, the point where the graph is touching the y-axis, that is -7. Now we need to find the slope. Change in y is 1 and change in x is 5, right? Y equals 1 over 5x minus 7. Let's just start with the test questions. Look at this graph. What is the equation of line in slope-intercept form? So you need to find two things, the y-intercept and the slope. So the y-intercept is the point where the graph is touching the y-axis, that is -9. So that means x is 0, y is 9. The one more thing we need to find the slope. So just select any 2 points, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 1. So change in y is x, 1 and 4. That is 1 over 4. So the equation is y equals 1 over 4x minus 9. Got it? So the correct option is y equals -1 by 4x minus 9 is the correct option. Okay, look at this graph. So let's just calculate the slope and the y-intercept, right? Y-intercept is the point where the graph is touching the y-axis, so that is -3. And the slope is 1/6 it is, right? That is y equals 1/6x, sorry, 1/7x minus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Look at this graph. What is the equation of the line in the slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? That is y equals 3 over x plus minus 10. The correct option is option number 1. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, look at this graph. What is the equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the y-intercept is -2, right? And that is y equals -7x minus 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is so the next lesson is that is write an equation from a table. So when you are given with a table, how do we write an equation? Let's just start with the test questions. So you need two things, the slope and the y-intercept, right? The slope is change in x divided by change in y, right? So change in x, 2 minus 1 is 1, 46 minus 45 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. So that means the slope is change in y is 1 and change in x is 1. So slope is 1 and the y-intercept is the b is 44. So the correct option is f of x equals x plus 44 is the correct option, right? The correct option is option number D. Okay, fill in the missing number to complete the linear equation that gives the rule for the table. So you are given the table of values. Let's just see. That is 1 minus 0 is 1, 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1, 16 minus 2 is 8, 24 minus 3 is 8. So change in slope is change in y divided by change in x. This is y, right? So that means the slope is 8 and the y-intercept is 0, 0. So the graph is passing through the origin. So the correct option is option number 1. That is y equals 8x is the correct option, right? So the correct option is option number 1 is option number 2 is the correct option. Option 1 is the correct option, that is y equals 8x because the graph is passing through the origin. So that is y equals 8x. Which equation gives the rule for the table? So which is the correct option? The correct option is y f of x equals x plus 27 is the correct option. Option number C is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is the chapter we were working on is slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Slope intercept form, an equation. Slope intercept form, write an equation from a graph. Slope intercept form, write an equation from the table. So please make sure before the next session, you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.